Hello, welcome to my channel. Okay, this is the question. Find the area of the shaded region based on the given diagram. Okay, look at the question. So he wants the area over here under the graph. So this is C. This is negative C. This is C. So the value over here, the length over here is the same. So 0.526. 0.526 can divided by 2. Okay, 526. So I'm using calculator. Will we get 0.526? I get this answer. Okay, for the region on the left or on the right under the shaded region. Okay, so this is probability of given that we get is given and then we get. Okay, so for the normal distribution, okay, this is symmetry line and here is 0.5. The area under the line is 0.5. The area under the line is 0.5. So means that if we want the area under here is using 0.5 minus 0.263. 0.5 minus 0.263. Okay, so I'm using calculator, then I get this one. And this is the probability which is more than C. This is the probability is more than C. Okay, so probability where X is more than C equal to this. Okay, for the second one, so I get the probability over here already. Okay, I get the probability over here. So I need the probability for the whole. Okay, for the whole area is 1, right? For the whole probability of the area under the line is 1. Okay, the probability under the line is 1. So I need this one where probability X less than C. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't forget the equal because it's a solid line. Less than C is 1 minus this. 1 minus X greater than C. Okay, right? Okay, so greater or equal to C is the same as greater C because it's continuous. So 1 minus 0.237, then I get the answer. Okay, look at the question, the second question. So this is P where X greater than U is equal to 0.132. So I want the answer is between where X is between mu and U. Okay, so as we know, okay, and the left-hand side, the probability under the left-hand side is 0.5. Okay, so what we get is using 0.5 minus probability which is greater than U, where probability X greater than U is 0.12132. Okay, so I get the answer for the second one. So I need the answer is X less than U. So what I get is using 1 minus the area under the red line, which is 0.132. So X, which is greater than U. Okay, so 1 minus 0. Okay, let's check what mistake I did. Okay, this is equal to the value probability of this is the same. Okay, next. Okay, so X greater or equal to A is 0.158. Okay, so greater actually is the same. Okay, this is negative A, but Okay, but is the value is x less than or equal to negative. So the value is the same. Because this is a normal distributions. So the value left hand side and the right hand side is equal because this is symmetry. Go. Okay, so x is greater than or equal a. It's the same value. So this is 0.158. Okay, so how about this? I need x greater than negative a. So just now I already get the value. So I'm using 1 minus x less than negative a. Okay, 1 minus the red regions over here. So 1 less than, I get the value over here already. So 1 minus 0.158. So I get 0.842. Okay, question number 3. Okay, look at the question. Okay, this is a value which is between probability x is between negative m and m. Okay, this is 0.86. Okay, so it's between. Okay, next, what we need, x is greater than m. We need to find out the probability x is greater than m. Okay, so x is greater than m. What is the value of here? Okay, so the length over here is the same, the value is the same, so we can divide it by 2. Okay, we can divide it by 2. So 0.86 divided by 2, I get 864 divided by 2, I get 0.432. So the line under here is 0.432. Okay, so it's greater than m. So I use 0.5 because the area under the line, left hand side and the right hand side is the same. It's 0.5. So the area, so the probability under the line is 0.5. The probability under the line is 0.5. Okay, so here I'm using 0.5 minus. Okay, minus what? Mm, minus 0.5 minus 0.42432. 0.432. So I get this one, 0.068. Okay, so check the value over here. Okay, so this is, he want the value x is greater than negative m. Okay, so this is must be greater than 0.5 because here already 0.5. The probability over here already 0.5. So what we need is find out this one. So what we know is this is for 0.432. So is 0.5 plus 0.432, I get 0.932. Or, okay, or we get the value over here already, right? So this is x less than m, okay, where the value less than negative m is the value, the probability. The probability is same with p is greater than more than m. Okay, so because the size is the same, so the probability will be the same. Okay, so if we need to find out this, I use 1 minus I use 1 minus x less than, which is opposite side of this one. So 1 minus 0.068. Similar answer. So they got 2 methods. Okay, next. Okay, finish. I hope you understand. Thank you.